Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features Halifax influencer Holly's housewife life. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Hello, welcome. This is my cute little baby doll. Isn't this the sweetest dress? This is the Andre by Unit brand, brand new. Obsessed. Everything about this is so me. The only thing that you're gonna have to come in store to try them on for yourself is that this brand skips the XL. So there's still flexibility. I'm in the large, which as you can see, fits perfect. It's just a little more baby dollish. So I had on then the next step up, which would be about a 1X, and it was a little more like loose and flowy. So you got to come in and try these on. Anyways, these are adorable with this pattern. Look at this striping, and it's green, which is so lovely. You see a lot of this striping in like a blue, but the green is so beautiful. It has a gorgeous tier off the waist. It fits your bust and it has a little bit of smocking in the back. It's so cute. And it has a square neckline, which is one of my favorite necklines, especially for summer. I am in a gorgeous bright purple Cafe Curve. It's called the Danielle dress. So I will take off my jacket, show you the dress, but I can't do that without pointing out the fine details. Everybody loves a denim jacket. Everybody loves a white denim jacket, but check out this white denim jacket. These pockets they have a swoop. They're not just deep. I was going to say they're very deep. It's not just about the deepness. Check out this detail in the swoop. So it gives you lots of space. Honestly, it's brilliant because our phones are so large nowadays. This would slide right in there and it's nice and deep so it won't fall out. But the back, see the details on the back? The buttons, they're functioning. I can't get over it. So let me slide this off and show you the dress. So this is the Danielle dress. It fits like a dream. It has a tie that you can either tie to have a little bow or you can just let it free fall. Yeah. And I think purple is a versatile color that's a fun pop on everybody. Every hair color, every eye color, purple will accent it so beautifully. The brand is Cafe Curve. The name is the Danielle dress and the fit is perfection. So this comes in a bright purple and I just had on the bright purple and I loved it, but I wanted to challenge myself to sort of glam up the black. I feel like this can go from day to night so easily. So for this look, I paired it with some beautiful accessories, some stylish earrings, a scrunchie, and a little clutch. You could wear a little wedge or a little heel. The length on these sleeves is to die for. It is the perfect summer length. It just flows away from your body. It's nice and breathable, but it looks very glam, doesn't it? The Cafe Curve brand is slaying it for me today. This is such an adorable dress. It is a staple, but it has these beautiful details that amplify it. So we have our little ruffle sleeve, and not only does it frame the front of your arm, it goes all the way to the back, and it flutters away. Just a beautiful way to flatter the shoulder, have a little fun this summer, and then it is defined around your waist, a little bit higher than your natural waist, I would say, for me anyway. And it has a beautiful cascading skirt, and it's the perfect length for a little fun in the sun.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.